find factors, there is a trinomial quadratic expression. We can write x squared minus x minus 20. We have to make two terms by using middle term. We can write first term, first mark, last mark and last term. Then we have to multiply these two marks to obtain the mark corresponding to the middle term. Minus into minus plus. Then we have to put plus mark at this place. And then we can consider mark of this term should be minus. Mark of this term should be plus. Therefore, there are opposite marks. Then we have to consider difference. Difference should be 1. Product should be 20. Then we can get 4 into 5. We have to write large term first. 5x, 4x. Then we can get common factor for first two terms, x. X squared divided by x, x, minus 5x divided by x, 5. Then we have to decide the mark of common factor for last two terms. When deciding mark, we have to get product of this mark and this one. Minus into minus plus. Common factor for last two terms, 4. Again, we can write 4x divided by 4, x, minus divided by plus minus, 20 divided by 5, 4, 5. Now there is a common factor, common bracket. We can get common bracket x minus 5. Next, we have to write x plus 4. Then part 2, there is an equation. We have to solve it. When solving, there is a fraction. I will remove the fraction by multiplying all terms by value in denominator. Value in denominator 3. We have to multiply all terms by 3. Then we can write 2p over 3 multiplied by 3. First term multiplied by 3 minus 4 multiplied by 3 should be equals to 6 multiplied by 3. Then we can cancel out 3 and 3 in first term. 2p minus 4 into 3, 12 equals 6 into 3, 18. Then 2p equals, we can bring minus 12 to the right hand side as plus 12 with opposite action. 2p equals, we have to add 8 plus 2, 10, 0, 1 remaining, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Then we can bring multiply by 2 to the right hand side as a division. 30 divided by 2. 30 divided by 2 is 15. Then 15 is the answer for the p-value. Then part 3, there are two equations, simultaneous equations. We have to solve simultaneous equations. First equation, a minus 3b equals 13. I will consider it as the first equation. And minus a plus b equals minus 7. It is the second equation. Now we can consider there is the same coefficient for a term. Coefficient is 1, 1a, 1a. And when considering marks, mark of first a term in first equation is plus. Mark of a term in second equation is minus. There are opposite marks. Then we have to add the equations. I will write first equation plus second equation. Then left hand side of first equation, a minus 3b plus, we have to add left hand side of second equation, minus a plus b. We have to do same thing for the right hand side, 13 plus minus 7. Then we have to expand brackets and simplify. A minus 3b plus into minus minus a plus into plus plus b equals to 13 plus into minus minus 7. Then we can cancel out plus a and minus a. There are two b terms, opposite marks. Therefore, we have to put mark of the large term minus, and we have to subtract terms 3b minus b, 2b. When simplifying right hand side, 13 minus 7, 6. Then we can get b value. We have to bring minus 2 to the right hand side. But there is a multiplication between minus 2 and b. Therefore, we have to write it as a division. 6 divided by minus 2. Plus divided by minus minus. 6 divided by 2, 3. Then b value is minus 3. Now we can substitute this b value to the first equation or second equation. You can select any equation. I will write first equation. Then we have to write substitute b equals minus 3 to the second equation. Then I will write again second equation. Minus a plus b equals minus 7. Minus a plus, we have to substitute b value as minus 3. Minus 3 equals minus 7. Then minus a plus into minus minus 3 equals minus 7. Now we can bring minus 3 to the right hand side. Minus a equals minus 3 when minus 7. When bring minus 3 to the right hand side, we have to put plus 3. Then minus a equals, there are opposite marks, mark of the large term minus 3 minus 7 minus 3, 4. We have to get the subtracted answer. Now minus a is minus 4. We have to find a value. When finding a value, we can get opposite mark for all terms. A should be plus 4.